Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Garmin to Strava. So Strava is a popular fitness app designed for tracking physical activities like running, cycling, walking and more. It uses GPS to record your routes, speed, distances and time, helping you monitor your progress and set goals. Strava also has strong social aspects. Users can share workouts or you can even give likes. It's called kudos right there, and join challenges with friends or the wider community. It's available on both iOS and Android, and even you can use it on your laptop and your PC with mini fitness devices and smartwatches also. Anyways, what I want to do right here, guys, to connect your Garmin to Strava, you need to open up your Strava right here, and yeah, also you need to have Strava on your watch. So what I want to do is to go into that gear icon on the top right corner. Alright, so you will be right here on the home page. What I want to do is to go to you right here in the bottom right corner. So right here you can see your stats, etc. But what I want to do is to go into this gear icon at the top right corner, tap on it, and right here, as you can see, there is an option that says connect an app or device right here. So just tap on it, and as you can see right here, tap on Garmin and connect Garmin. Okay, and right here you just need to fill the informations of your Garmin, and after that you will or the Strava will go automatically into your Garmin watch. Anyways, you just need to complete the process right here, and you need to complete the steps, and it's very easy. Anyways, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.